On this quick trip photography adventure, I'm checking out some perennial waterfalls in northern Arizona. Stay tuned. So today on this quick trip photography adventure, I'm in northern Arizona, and there's been a lot of warmer weather lately, quite a bit of rain, even though it's still kind of, late winter, early spring. And as a result, a lot of the snow is melting, and some perennial streams are flowing, and a couple of waterfalls. So that's where I'm headed today, checking out some of these perennial falls, and hopefully getting some epic shots. We got nice moody clouds today, might even rain, but let's get out there, and I'll get to the back of the camera and show you the composition I'm working on. Well, we've arrived at the destination. Let's get down there. I can already hear that water flowing off in the distance. Let's get to it. So you can see I have a 1-second exposure, f10, ISO 100, and I'm working with a simple composition using rule of thirds. I have the tree in the upper right third and the waterfall in the lower left third. Well, I hope you've enjoyed checking out some of these amazing perennial falls here in northern Arizona. I found this place last year and it didn't have water flowing, and I was really hoping with the melt this year it would just be gushing, and you know what, it certainly was. Looking forward to editing that image. You just saw the final version. Hope you enjoyed it. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Crusades, and I'll see you in that next quick trip photography adventure.